Hello everyone, my name is Nick. I am 20 years old and I live in Southern California. Just wow. I just finished my stats final, and with the ending of school, I decided this summer I'm going to pick up a camera and I'm going to start recording and making videos. I'm brand new to making videos. I have no editing style, I have no on-camera personality. I'm pretty much new to every bit of this, and I'm looking forward to getting better at it. I'm pretty awkward on camera, so it's gonna be awkward at first until I kind of pick this thing up. I have a hard time just looking at the camera, and I'm looking down and being awkward. So I'm definitely gonna be working on that. There's gonna be a lot of improvements. As far as improvements to the quality of the video itself, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a chin mount. And then I'm going to get a mic, which is really going to change the quality of my videos. I think the perspective from the chin is going to be a lot cooler and a lot more accurate to what I'm seeing, rather than coming from the top of the helmet where it currently is. And as far as the mic, I'd like to do commentaries, obviously, and I want you guys to be able to hear what we're talking about in the videos. As far as my bike goes, it's a 2007 Daytona 675. It's actually my second bike. It is really fun. It's in decent condition. It's got high miles. You know, it's a 10-year-old bike. And my first bike was a Ninja 400, which I sold to my buddy Johnny. It's still going to be a part of this channel because he's riding with me all the time. As far as who I'm inspired by for YouTube, I really like Suburban Delinquent. In his last video, he said he loves food and motorcycles, and that's what his channel revolves around. And I really love food as well, and obviously I really love motorcycles. LeVar the Moto Man, I like his lighthearted, funny pranks, and I really would like to do stuff like that as well with my friends. I'm hoping to capture some really crazy things on a motorcycle that not everyone gets to experience, not living in California. I'm going to show you a lot of scenic things. I'm just hoping to capture as much as I can and entertain you guys as much as I can. I really am hoping to improve with this whole being on camera. Every time like someone drives by, I get really awkward. I mean, just looking at the camera is really hard for me. But once I'm behind the camera, I think I'll be better. I just need to not focus if the camera's on and kind of just not try too hard and let things roll, and I think I'll be okay. For those of you that don't have a motorcycle and want to get into it, I'm hoping I can explain from a 20-year-old's perspective what it's like to get into motorcycles and where you should start. I know there's a million videos about starter bikes and starter gear and stuff, but a lot of it doesn't come from a 20-year-old's perspective, and it's hard for us who can't afford it and without parents' approval. There's so many factors that people do not get into. I'm hoping I can get into it. I've had to go through it. I've helped buddies get through it, and I'm hoping I can help you guys get through it as well. I'm hoping I can review the Ninja 400, explain about why that actually is a great starter bike. I'm gonna review their I'm gonna review I'm also gonna review the Daytona and explain, like, talk about the 600 and the triple and why it's such a great fun bike. I'm gonna talk about the financial aspect, the skill aspect. I'm really gonna try to dive into it in a unique, different point of view rather than all the other adults, 20, like actual like older 20, 30, 40-year-olds talking about this stuff. I'm not gonna try to sell you on any gear. While I don't have a lot of money to throw around, I do have several friends that also started out, and so between all of us, I'm hoping we can all give you guys a great perspective on where to start. So that's one thing I'm definitely gonna do pretty soon. This is probably gonna be the end of my video, unless something crazy happens on the way home. I just want to thank you guys for watching. I would really like for you guys to like and subscribe. A lot of cool things are gonna be coming. Here's a little behind the scenes of how I'm creating my first video. I actually just put my helmet on top of this right here, and my little camera on top of my helmet as a little stand. It actually is coming out quite nice. Just want to show you guys this view one more time. Just insane. Just insane.